Hello. Welcome to our Kalai Rayba channel. Today we are here again with a seasonal recipe. Orange jam. Jams are indispensable for winter breakfasts. That's why we made orange jam for you. Let's get down to business by counting the materials. 5 oranges, 2.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. First, we peel our oranges. After peeling the oranges, we remove the whites as much as possible. Then we cut it into cubes. Then we take our oranges in a suitable pot. We add our sugar to the pot we put on the stove and leave it to boil. We mix it up occasionally. Our oranges released their juices and began to boil. Now we add the lemon salt and lemon. We let it boil for half an hour. Yes, friends, our jam has thickened well. Now we take it from the stove. When it's hot, we take it in jars and close it tightly. You can keep it in a dark and cool place until you start consuming it. Enjoy your meal. We have come to the end of our orange jam video. Easy recipes will continue in Kalai Rayba. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and recommend it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.